Say hello, teacher.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Chami.
Chami. Can I just call you me? Me. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you can. Okay. How old are you?
8 years old.
Oh, so you're 8 years old. And may I know how many people are there in your family?
Uh,
4. How many people are there in your family?
4,
4. And who are they?
1,
Your mom?
mom, father,
Mm-hmm.
sister,
And you? Okay. And me. Okay. Are you hungry right now?
No.
No, I'm not. But do you want a candy? Yes, I do. Okay, sure. You can have that one. Okay, now all you need to do is to tell me what are you doing based on the given picture. What are you doing?
Watching TV.
Okay, very good. What are you doing?
Painting.
I'm painting. What are you doing?
Drawing.
Coloring. What are you doing?
Reading a book.
I'm reading a book. Very good. Now, do you have a paddle?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Do you have a baseball?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. What's this? Is it a soccer ball?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Do you have a soccer ball?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Do you have a rocket?
Yes, I don't.
Yes, I do. How? What's this?
Stapler.
How many stapler do you have? I have
1 stapler.
Okay, 1 stapler. How many erasers do you have?
I have 4 erasers.
Okay, 4 erasers. Very good. Now I have here different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's this? What are these? 12?
Color pencil.
Okay, color pencils. Very good. How many rulers do you have?
I have 4 ruler. 5 rulers.
Okay, I have 5 rulers. Very good. Now, in this part, you have to say the beginning sound and the word itself. What's this?
Water.
Water. Very good. Next.
Question.
Question. There you go. Next.
Omelette.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Okay, there you go. Now, what is this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. There you go. Say it louder.
Oh.
The dog is
Under.
the table. Very good. Say the beginning.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Next one.
Hamster.
Hamster. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. And
Box.
box. It has a letter X. What is the sound of letter X? Letter X sounds. Box. Okay, box. Next one. What's this? It starts with letter E. Sounds.
Elephant.
Elephant. There you go. Now, for this part, I want you to match the word to the picture and read out loud the commands. Okay, let's start with the first one.
Shoot the ball.
Okay, shoot the ball. Next part. Next picture. Brush your teeth. Okay, brush your teeth. Next one. Next picture.
Draw a half circle.
Okay, very good.
And bounce the ball.
Bounce the ball. Okay, that's all for your speaking test. You did a great job. And because of that, I'll give you 2 more candies. Okay? Say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. See you next time.